everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change date format in Excel. So let's begin the video. So at first, open your Excel worksheet, then select the date which you want to format. Now right click on selected cell and choose Format Cell from the context menu. Here you can see some format updates. You can select any of them or based on your needs. For example, select this one, click OK. As you see, it's applied on the date. That's how you can change your data format from Excel. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.